cellphone ulit. Lollipop naman po ang aming pangalan. Ano ulit sa pangalan nito, Joyp?
Ano, Joyp? Ano? Ano?
Papa, lips red and tongue red. It's like lipstick. So buy now. Only at Philippines at JP's house. Mahalang isa, piso lang. Ano pangalan niya itong candy? Ano pangalan ng candy na to, JP?
Lollipop. Peace. Ay, lips. Lollipop.
Lips lollipop. Do you hear that? Oh, lips lollipop, lips lollipop, lips. Lips lollipop, lips, lips, lips. Lips lollipop, lips.
Sabi na na.
Patingin mo yung nasulat, nakasulat. Tingin mo. Patingin mo.
Bang! Yeah! Yeah! Supported. Yes!
Lips red. And tongues red. Let's keep your lips red and tongues red. See my tongue.
Uy, ala!
See my lips.
Yung ano, red, ano?
Kissable. Natural. Face. Oh, no bite. Only one. Lips. So, buy one at JP's house. And you know what it means? One, buy one, take one. Okay, bye.